In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ADD a HubSpot certification to LinkedIn. This quick update helps you highlight your inbound marketing skills right where hiring managers and collaborators look first. And it only takes a moment. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and hit Enter. Click the official LinkedIn website in the results to go straight to your feed. If you prefer, you can also go directly to linkedin.com in the address bar to save a click. Either route gets you to the same place. Once you're on LinkedIn, look toward the top navigation bar and select the Me menu, the one with your profile photo. From the drop-down, choose View Profile to open your public profile page. On this page, find the Add Profile section button near the top. Click it to open a panel of options. In that panel, switch to the Recommended category. This area highlights commonly added items that strengthen your profile. Choose Add Licenses and Certifications to bring up the certification form. Now complete the form. In the name field, begin typing HubSpot Inbound Certification. When LinkedIn suggests the official title, click it to ensure the entry is standardized. Using LinkedIn's suggested options reduces typos and helps your credential display correctly in searches. Next, in Issuing Organization, search for and select HubSpot so the badge links to the verified organization. For dates, add the issue date that matches when you completed the course and passed the exam. Then enter the expiration date. Many certifications have a defined validity period. Double-check your completion email or the certificate page in your HubSpot Academy account to confirm the month and year. Accurate dates help viewers understand the currency of your knowledge. When everything looks correct, click Save. LinkedIn will add the certification to the Licenses and Certifications section on your profile. On desktop, it usually appears beneath your About and Experience sections. You can scroll down to confirm it shows the HubSpot logo, the credential name, the issuer, and your dates. If anything needs tweaking, you can always return to your profile, click the pencil icon for Licenses and Certifications, and edit the entry. Keeping credentials current can improve profile completeness and boost visibility in search results, giving your profile extra credibility. That's it. You've added your HubSpot Inbound certification to LinkedIn in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped, consider adding your other relevant credentials the same way to present a complete picture of your expertise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.